Digital.
Fun.
Intelligent.
Complex.
Awesome.
Informing.
Effective communication.
Be hardworking.
Can be challenging.
All classes start with digital media. Digital media is the beginning. In digital media, we lay the foundation, you get the groundwork, and get a total understanding of everything related to digital media and media production. Focus on copyright, you learn how to write a script, you learn camera shots and movements, various aspects of media production. Yearbook class, we focus more on design, project, and building your portfolio.
This is a very creative environment, and it allows us to act upon our creative thinking and our projects.
In the yearbook and the TV production class, the goal is to get you certified in Adobe Premiere. So if you love editing and you love working with cameras and you love editing pictures and videos, this is the class for you. It requires a lot of work. It requires work ethic. It requires a positive attitude. And it requires a lot of collaboration and teamwork.
Do your work. Don't slack. You gotta pull your own weight. You can't not work in this class.
Which you can just be yourself and use your own creativities.
If you want Mr. Fletcher's class, you have to be super productive.
No brushwork, he doesn't like brushwork at all. And he wants perfect shots.
Production is key in this class. This class is a very student-led class.